So I'm going to go over the 6 different types of strips that you need to know for any waxing service. So we have our infant tongue depressors, or our small facial waxing sticks. We have our adult tongue depressors, or our body waxing sticks. With the facial waxing sticks, we are going to be doing pointer tool method, which is mainly for brows and lip waxing, upper lip and lower lip. We have small basic, and then we also have a nose pop. So I'll show you what those look like. And then with our body waxing sticks, we have a small basic, we have a large basic, which is going to be for your larger body areas, the smalls for smaller areas like underarm, parts of the bikini, and then we have painter tool method, which is used always for the labia on Brazilian waxing and a few other areas as well. So I'm going to show you how you both get the wax on your stick and then how you apply each strip. So let's start with our facial waxing. So the first one that you need to know is the pointer tool method. So this is going to be used for brow. So you want to have your index finger up top. We're going to drag across at about a 45-degree angle. Get the wax about a third of the way up your stick. We're going to clean the side, the back, and the side. So that is how you get the wax on your stick for pointer tool. And you'll notice on this side, you can't see all of my wax, so it's nice and clean. And the reason for this is when we go to apply, we don't want it to bulge out and accidentally grab hairs that we're not meaning to remove. So this is used for any precision areas, mainly brows. So let me show you how we will apply that. So again, pointer finger up top, dragging at a 45-degree angle, cleaning the sides. There's always going to be this little stringer I like to twist and kind of dip that string back in, and it will pull off. To apply, what we're going to do is we're going to hold our stick like a pen. You're going to start in a straight up position, and then as you go along, you start to lay it down so that you can use that wax that's a little higher up on your stick. And then if needed, you can come back and thicken that strip up. So that is pointer tool. Next, for facial waxing, we have what's called our nose pop. So this is going to be for nose waxing. You also can use it when you're doing any ear waxing as well. We never go up into the nasal cavity or into the ear canal. It's all for just cosmetic, those little hairs that tend to hang out, both for ears and for nose. So you're gonna hold your stick like this, thumb up top, have a nice grip on the back, 2, 3, 4 fingers even if you're more comfortable. We're going to scoop, and you kind of twist right under the surface there so that you can get wax on both ends, and it looks almost like a little lollipop, which is why I call this nose pop. You don't need a ton of wax because, again, it's just for cosmetic, those little hairs that are hanging out. We are not going into the nasal cavity or into the ear canal at all. Okay, so that is what a nose pop looks like. Next, a facial waxing strip you need to know is going to be small basic. So similar to when you're doing a small basic on the body, we're just using our infant tongue depressors, and this is going to be for a little bit larger areas on the face, including sideburns, cheeks, jawline, doing a chin strap. So to get the wax on your stick, you're going to have your thumb up top. We're going to scoop, and you want to get the wax on both sides. So in order to do that, you're scooping and twisting right under the surface there. And then there you have your little small basic strip. And to apply, you're going to deposit, come up to the top, making sure you're on your edge. We're never buttering. Pressure, 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 pressure. Come back up. We're going to build this strip up. Pressure, pressure, pressure. You could even do a third pass if you'd like. Always staying on that edge, using good pressure, and create your lip. Make sure all your sides are even. So that is your small basic. Okay, let's move on to body waxing. So for body waxing, we will be using our medium sticks, which are adult tongue depressors or body waxing sticks. So first, you're gonna need to know small basic. So thumb up top, we're scooping, and we're getting the wax on both sides there, and we're focusing it towards the end of the stick. Okay, so again, thumb up top, scooping, And there you have it. To apply, you're going to do just the same as we did with the small basic with the facial waxing sticks. We're going to go ahead and deposit. Come up to the top on our edge. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Come back up. We're just going to thicken up this strip. A third pass if you'd like. And then go ahead and create your lip. So this is going to be used for certain areas of the bikini. It's going to be used for underarms, some areas of the arm, any really smaller service areas. Okay, so that's our small basic. Then you're also going to need to know large basic. So large basic, it's the same thing, but we're going to get the wax further up on our stick and get a lot more of it on our stick. So thumb up top. We're scooping and we're going deeper. We're getting a lot more wax on there. If you're having a hard time with keeping the wax on your stick, your wax may be a little bit warm. So remember to follow the 3-second rule. Okay, and then to apply, same thing, we're just making this a lot bigger. So we're going to deposit, keep on our edge, pressure, 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 pressure. We're making it a much longer strip. Come back up. You can expand it a bit and then create that lip. So these strips are going to be used for full leg waxing is the most common. Sometimes for arm waxing. It can be used for men's full back. Any area where you're covering more surface area at a time. So that is our large basic. So you can see there's quite a difference between the large basic and the small basic with the amount of coverage we are covering. Last, and I would say one of the more important strips you need to know with body waxing is going to be what I call painter tool method. So this is going to be used for the labia. So what you're going to do is use your thumb up top here and we're scooping, but we're almost doing more of like a nose pop, but with these larger body waxing sticks. So you really want to focus the majority of your wax towards the tip of your stick there. And then how you apply is, I'm going to pretend the angle of my treatment table here is almost like a labia. You're using your left hand to hold the skin taut, and now you're applying with your index finger up top, and we're using this edge of the stick rather than the side edge. And you're really just molding, using good pressure, using your index finger to apply that pressure, and you're really working that wax down to the skin. Okay, so you're really, really molding this strip to all the hair. We don't want to make it too wide, but we want to make it pretty thick. So this is painter tool, and again, it's used for the labia, always for the initial labia strip. And sometimes people might prefer to use this technique in other areas on the bikini line or upper bikini as well, if it's more comfortable for you. So there is painter tool method. So that's all 6 strips that you need to know in order to perform any waxing service.